We wrap up our course with learning about ethical considerations of MCP. Model Context Protocol or MCP makes AI smarter by pulling in real-time context and external data, but it raises big ethical issues like privacy, consent, bias, and accountability. Since many parties share responsibilities, clear oversight is harder but essential. Let's learn about some of the ethical challenges in developing MCP-based AI systems. First, consent and data usage. Before we use someone's data, we have to get explicit consent, and we have to let them know whether their data is used in model training or not. Privacy of contextual information. We have to make sure that we protect people and organizations' personal and private information. Bias and fairness in context. If we provide biased or unfair information or context to a model, we will get biased and unfair responses, and we have to be aware of that. Accountability and transparency. We have to be very clear about accountability. Produces incorrect or harmful output, who is responsible, whether that is the MCP or the model. And we have to have a tracing system to understand how every MCP context has impacted the output of the large language model. Security and vulnerabilities. Throughout the course, we worked on the security of MCPs. There is also a risk for prompt injection into our MCP and into our large language models. And we have to make sure that we always encrypt the data that is exchanged between large language model and MCP in transit and at rest. In general, we have to make sure that we cover privacy and security. We think about the impact of the data that we provide to LLMs on people and our organization or agency. We have to make sure that we comply with the regulations, and we have to have measures in place to ensure equality.